Hey guys, it's Kemi. How's your holiday going? I hope everything is well with you and your family. I just wanted to come and share some things that would be great ideas for women for this holiday season. So before I get into that, I wanted to tell you about Dosh. If you've seen my previous video, I posted on the Dosh app. And all you have to do is download it and link your credit or debit card, whatever you use on a daily basis in order to make purchases, and you could get up to 10%, even more off of any of your purchases, whether you're going to department store, grocery store, you're dining out, or even booking hotels. You can get percentage or get money back, and this is a great gift going back to you as you give and you're buying for other people. So I absolutely love this app. I've been getting money back just from people signing up or from me going out and purchasing items. So this is a great app to get, so I'll leave the link below and you can download the Dosh app. Also, we have the Stash app. Stash app is for those who want to invest. If you want to invest in money, which I think would be a great idea, especially coming for this new year, is to really start something new. And really, if you're not a person that hasn't started investing, I think it's a great idea. Not only investing in stocks and bonds, but also investing into your retirement, so that you have enough monies to put away for when it's time for you to retire. So I'm going to leave the link below, and all you have to start off with is $5 to start investing. And I think it is a smart idea, especially in this coming new year, to start investing and start putting money away for the future. So I will leave the link below for that. So let's get into the video. Now what we have first of all is the Ionic facial steamer. This steamer right here, I got it off of Amazon. I've always wanted to get a facial steamer. It took me a long time to get it, so hold on for a minute. So yeah, this is the steamer right here. This is the cover. You take the cover off. I really love it because of the colors. It looks like a petal, flowery petal. And this is where you actually put in your water so that the steam could come out. And this is it right here, and you just plug it in, and this is it. Let me show you how it looks when you open it from the back and put in your water. This is where you put your water. You put it back in, and then you're ready to go. And make sure that the cap is off, and you plug it in, and that is your facial steamer. Also, with this product, they have an extra thing for you, which is some kind of beauty tool, which helps to take out anything from underneath your skin. Let me show you that. This is some beauty tools that you can use on your face if your face is really like damaged. This is it right here. So you can use this in order to extract anything that's underneath your skin that needs to come out, so that your face could be freed up and it can be cleared up. So this is a great gift for any woman. They will definitely appreciate this. This is really a great gift. So it's the Ionic facial steamer that comes with the beauty tool. This thing is like falling all over the place. It comes with this beauty tool. So this is a great gift idea for women. Next, we have the LED mirror. This is the LED, they call it the LED makeup mirror. Okay, you don't need to use it just for makeup. It could be just to look at your face and just check that everything is okay. And one thing I love about this LED mirror is that it comes with lights. So here it is right here, and let me put on the light. Here you go. This is the light. Absolutely love this. This is a great gift. I mean, every woman would love this, just to open it up and just brighten up and brighten your face. It's just, I absolutely love this. This is a great gift especially if they traveling, going to work, wherever they going, to kind of check yourself, make sure everything is good. This is the LED mirror. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm gonna leave a link so that you could go and purchase your own. So that is it. Okay, and it comes with a bag so you can put it in, so it's not all over the place in your bag and in your handbag. And so this is it. This is the LED mirror. Next, I really love this. This is cute. This is the headband, elastic headband. I love this. It just looks so cute, and I like it. If you're trying to cleanse your skin, or you're trying to apply makeup, this would keep your hair out your face so that you're able to do that. I absolutely love this. I just thought it's just so cute, especially in the morning, and you just put this on and it just looks really good. And yeah, this is a great gift for women, so I like it. Get it. For women or girls, whoever, this will be a great gift. Very cute. So next, this is special this year. I am selling makeup organizers. Makeup organizers is a big thing, and we know makeup is a billion-dollar business. Stuff is falling all over the place. Hold on. Yeah, we know that you know, makeup is a billion-dollar business, so we need to get our stuff, our makeup, everything organized. Sometimes we have stuff in bags, we have stuff all over the place, and this is a way to put, you know, I think this year is all about organization. So to get your makeup or your jewelry, everything organized in one place, not all over. I am selling makeup organizers, jewelry organizers, and different organizers. I have organizers for your remote control and everything, for your TV and everything like that, to keep stuff in place. So I'm selling that on my website, princesskeminike.com. So if this is something that you would like, or something you want to gift a woman, and I'm sure she's going to be happy, especially if she has a lot of makeup and different things, I would suggest to get it. These products, these organizers, are going to take 2 to 3 weeks for delivery, so you would have to order it like right now to give it some time. It may not come Christmas, but it'll probably come maybe before the new year. So I will leave the link is my main website, which is princesskeminike.com. You can go on there and you can order your organizers. So order it right now before, you know, it takes because it's going to take a while, 2 to 3 weeks. So that is it. Also, you can check princesskeminike.com for other products, whether it's facial care, body care, scarves. We have scarves and everything for the winter season. So we have everything there. So go to princesskeminike.com and see what you like. Go in there, peruse, see what you need, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been a while. I don't really vlog as much as I really want to, but you're definitely going to be getting some videos, because I did go over to France for 8-9 days. So you're going to get a whole heap of videos coming up in the next few days. I want to get them out before the new year, so you'll have something to look at. But aside from that, yeah, the only time I'll video is if I know I have something to actually show. So that's pretty much it. I hope your holiday has been going great, and yeah, check out my website, princesskeminike.com. Everything is there. Everything about me, everything about what I sell, everything. Princesskeminike.com. So thank you for watching, and yeah, have a happy holiday, happy Christmas, happy New Year, and yeah.